Hi love, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are making a natural tea, and this natural tea helps in diabetes control, and it also reduce sugar level. So if you have been looking for a natural way to control your sugar, just keep on watching, and we are going to use just two ingredients to make this pure natural tea. So keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell, so anytime we upload a new video you will get notified. So the first thing you'll be needing is your guava leaves. You can use the fresh guava leaves, you can as well use the dry guava leaf, anyone you place your hands with. And the second item is your cinnamon stick. Then get your cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick has a lot of health benefits. We are going to use just a smaller piece of it, as you are seeing in the video. Then the next thing you are going to do is you are going to rinse your dry guava leaves or your fresh guava leaves, anyone you place your hand on, you are going to use it. Then after rinsing it, the next thing you are going to do is to rinse your boiling pot or your kettle, whatever you want to use in boiling your tea. Make sure that everything is clean and neat. Then you are going to put your washed guava leaves and cinnamon stick into your boiling pot. Then you are going to pour like 2 cups of water to it. 2 cups of water to it. You'll be taking this tea morning and night, and you have to be consistent. And as you're taking this tea, you'll be checking your sugar level so that it doesn't drop without you knowing. So you have to be checking your sugar level as well. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pour your water inside your clean pot, and you're going to boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes depending on your heat. Then once it is boiled, you're going to strain your tea. After straining your tea, you allow your tea to cool or a bit cold, then you have your tea. So guys, that's the end of today's video. That is how to make a natural tea for diabetes control and to reduce sugar level. So if it is a video that interests you, don't forget to click on the like button. That's the only way you can support me. Click on the like button, comment on where you are watching from,